In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete chats in Claude AI. If you've been exploring and testing ideas in Claude, your chat list can fill up quickly. Cleaning it out keeps things organized and makes it easier to find the conversations you actually need. I'll walk you through the process from start to finish so you can confidently remove any chats you no longer want to keep. First, open your Claude account. Make sure you're signed in so you can access your personal dashboard. Once you're in, look for the section labeled Chats. This is where your conversation history lives. You'll see a list of your past chats, typically arranged with the most recent at the top. Think of this as your archive of everything you've asked and everything Claude has answered. Next, find the specific chat you want to delete. You can scroll through the list or use the search bar if one is available in your view. Take a moment to double check the title or the first lines of the conversation to be sure you're selecting the right one. Remember, removing a chat will take it out of your history, so make sure it's something you truly don't need anymore. When you've located the chat, move your cursor over it to reveal the options menu. You'll see an icon with 3 dots, often called the More or Overflow menu. Click those 3 dots to open the actions for that conversation. In the menu that appears, choose Delete. You may see a confirmation prompt. This is there to prevent accidental removals. Confirm that you want to delete the chat and it will be removed from your list. If you have more than one chat to clear out, simply repeat the same steps. Locate the next conversation, click the 3 dots, select Delete, and confirm. Working through your list methodically helps you tidy up without losing track of what you've already handled. A quick tip as you go. Give yourself a moment before you confirm deletion, especially for longer or more detailed threads. Once a chat is deleted, it's typically not recoverable. Keeping your most useful conversations and trimming the rest is a great way to keep your workspace streamlined. That's all there is to it. Open your Claude account, head to Chats, pick the conversation you want to remove, click the 3 dots, choose Delete, and repeat as needed. With just a few clicks, your chat history will be cleaner, simpler, and easier to navigate.